Good morning to all. 9th max exercise 1.5 7th sum. Set A is equal to minus 2 0 1 3 5. Set B is equal to minus 1 0 2 5 6 and set C is equal to minus 1 2 5 6 7. Then show that A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection of A difference C. Solution. First solve LHS. LHS equal to A difference B union C. So first solve inside the bracket. B union C is equal to write the elements of set B minus 1 0 2 5 6 union of set C elements minus 1 2 5 6 7. B union C is equal to combine the set B and C, write the elements in 1 times minus 1 0 2 5 6 7. A difference B union C is equal to write the elements A elements minus 2 0 1 3 5. Difference B union C elements already find it minus 1 0 2 5 6 7. So now A difference B union C means A having not in B union C. First strike out the common elements. 0 is common both the sets and 5 is common both the sets. So write the remaining elements of A. A difference B union C is equal to minus 2 1 3. So this is equation 1. Then RHS equation A difference B intersection of A difference C. A difference B intersection of A difference C. So first solve A difference B. A difference B, write the elements of A minus 2 0 1 3 5 difference. Set B elements minus 1 0 2 5 6. So A difference B means A having not in B. First strike out the common elements of both the sets. Common elements of both the sets. 0 is common both the sets. Strike out. And 5 is common both the set. Strike out. So A difference B means A having not in B. So write the elements of remaining elements in A. Minus 2 1 3. This is 2. The next A difference C, write the elements of A. A elements minus 2 0 1 3 5. Difference of C elements minus 1 2 5 6 7. A difference C means A having not in C. A having not in C. First strike out the common elements. 5 is common both the sets. So A difference C is equal to write the remaining elements of A minus 2 0 1 3. This is equation 3. From 2 and 3 RHS is equal to A difference B intersection of A difference C. Write the elements of A difference B minus 2 1 3 intersection of A difference C minus 2 0 1 3. A difference B intersection A difference B intersection of A difference C. So common elements of both the sets. Minus 2 is common both the sets, 1 is common both the sets, and 3 is common both the sets. Is equal to minus 2 1 3. This is equation 4. From 1 and 4 equal minus 2 1 3, and equation 4 minus 2 1 3. LHS equal to RHS. From 1 and 4. A difference B union C is equal to A difference B intersection of A difference C is verified. Ninth sum, verify A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union of A difference C using Venn diagram. Solution, draw three circles. First one A, B and C. LHS, A difference B intersection C. First one A. A means sad A circle full area. A. LHS, A difference B intersection C. First sad A circle full area. Then next B intersection C. This is A, this circle B, this one C. B intersection C means common part of B and C. Sad this area. Now A difference third one. This is A, this is B, this C. A difference B intersection C. A difference B intersection C means A having not in B intersection C. Remaining part. Sad this area. This part only. This is equation 1. A difference B intersection C. The next RHS, A difference B. A difference C means A having but not in B. Shared A part only. This is A having but not in B. This area only. The next A difference C. This is A, this one B, this circle is C. A difference C means A having but not in C. This area. Then third one RHS, A difference B union of A difference C. This is A, this one B, this is C. So now see these two circles, this one and this one. A difference B, A difference C, union of A difference B, union of A difference C. So combine this figure and this figure. So common part this area. This is equation 2. See equation 1 and 2 is common. So from 1 and 2 LHS equal to RHS. So A difference B intersection C is equal to A difference B union of A difference C. Hence it is verified. Thank you.